So the last user involved is Lina in the accounting department. So after Jamal, the driver, went back to the office, he hands over the collected money to Lina. Even if a payment precedes an invoice, like in our case, every company which use an accounting system have to post or book the final invoice in the system in order to keep changes in expenses and revenues. So Lina needs now to invoice the pizza delivery for the hungry customer to keep the cash flowing for the World Pizza. This will be made by posting the delivery to the related customer accounts in the accounting system. Let's see now how Lina will do that.
Hi, my name is Lina. I am in charge of invoicing customers and responsible for all accounting activities at World Pizza. So let's now invoice the hungry customer. First, I go into the system and move to my role center, which is accountant. Then I search for sales invoices. Then I will go here and will click New, and I will select the customer I want to invoice, which is the hungry customer. Instead of typing the lines manually, I am going to use a functionality called Get Shipment Lines. This window is essentially a selection of all pizza that have been delivered but still not invoiced. In this case, it's just going to be one delivery. I highlight this line, and then I click OK. As you can see, the system pulls over this line onto the sales invoice with the amount of $17.55. Finally, I click Post. That's all I have to do.
Obviously, in a real line scenario, there are few more things to do. Example, the external document number, or if other things that needs to be confirmed before invoicing, or some approvals. But here we tried to keep every process very simple. But essentially, that is all Lina has to do.